So you said you'll not be part of DK Shivakumar's cabinet, any particular
No,
reason?
I will not be a part of his
Why is
cabinet.
that?
Senior Congress MLA K and Rajanna on Monday declared that he would not be part of the cabinet if DK Shivakumar were to become the chief minister. His remarks come amid growing speculation about a possible change in leadership in the state. Rajanna said that Siddaramaiah was elected as the Congress legislature party leader through a secret ballot and there can be no leadership issue unless he himself resigns. He further added that if at all there is a change in leadership, Home Minister G. Parameshwara, who is a Dalit, should be given priority for the Chief Minister's post. Responding to questions from reporters, Rajanna said, if DK Shivakumar becomes the Chief Minister, I will not be part of his cabinet. He clarified that the CLP leader was chosen by the MLAs for a 5-year term, and only if Siddaramaiah steps down does the question of choosing a new leader arise. The internal power tussle in the party has intensified as the Congress government completes half of its 5-year term. Speculation has also gained momentum due to the alleged power-sharing agreement between Siddaramaiah and Shivakumar in 2023.
So you said you'll not be part of DK Shivakumar's cabinet, any particular
No,
reason?
I will not be a part of his
Why
cabinet.
is that? Why is that?
If he becomes, I will not be a
Currently,
part
are you
of it.
hoping they'll re-induct you in the cabinet? Now, Mr. Siddaramaiah will give the opportunity for
See, I am regarding the power sharing and the disorder. I may be minister, may not be minister. The only thing I wish, without any reason, I was unceremoniously removed. For that reason, I am very much painful.